Need to get an Ethernet-only device online using Wi-Fi? Or do you need to bypass limits on hotel networks? You can share your PC's connection by turning it into a virtual router. In this video, I'll show you how to share your wired internet connection with Connectify Hotspot. Let's assume you already have a Connectify Hotspot license. If not, go visit connectify.me/store. First, make sure you have the latest version of Connectify Hotspot installed on your Windows computer. You can download it from connectify.me/download. Once you have the app installed, run the Connectify Hotspot app and you'll see these three options: Wi-Fi hotspot, wired router, or Wi-Fi repeater. In this case, we want to create a wired router, so choose that option at the top of the app. Then, set the Internet to Share dropdown to the internet connection you want to share. In this case, I want to share my Wi-Fi. Next, in the Network Access dropdown, choose Routed or Bridged Network Access. Normally, you'll want this set to Routed. Then, to finish setting up your hotspot, make sure that the Share Over option has your Ethernet adapter. If you don't have an available Ethernet adapter, you can always use a USB to Ethernet adapter. And finally, click the Start Hotspot button to begin sharing your internet connection with your other devices. Then you can take your other device, here's my Mac, and just plug in the Ethernet cable. Then we can go to Network Settings, and you see the Ethernet is connected. Back here in Hotspot, you'll see the connected device listed under the Clients tab. See, here's my Speedify Mac Mini. But if you want to check if it's really working, you can always run a speed test on the connected device and see the traffic move in the Connectify app. And there you see that the speed test and the graph in the Hotspot move together. That's it. Hope that helps. If you want more useful tech tips like this, subscribe to our channel for more videos.